Hey Harper's Bazaar, it's Julia Fox, and today we are going to be looking at some of my fashion moments. This is Fashion Flashback. So the first look is very near and dear to my heart, the premiere of Uncut Gems. So this was when I hit the town and came into the world, I feel like. I remember I was in the car with my publicist. There was all these people and they like already knew my name and they were screaming. And my publicist, Jamie, was like, "Are you ready?" And I looked at her and I was like, "I was born ready." And then I just opened the door and like, that's it. You know, I've never come back from that moment. Love this skirt. It was a Paco Rabanne moment, but those Louboutins were so hard to walk in. I had a very embarrassing moment trying to walk across the stage for the Q&A. I was like shuffling like a little duck. But overall, I love this look. Now, I mean, I probably wouldn't have gone with a red lip, but other than that, I wouldn't really change anything. The next one is a very scary diesel look. This was during the height of the fox eye eyeliner, and I was just so over it already. I had no idea what was to come. I was like, I'm gonna do a black lip instead and just do a white eye and just switch it up. Anyway, I hated it. I should have just done the fox eye, but she has a rebel spirit. Neck down, this look is really major. Like, I think I would look better today with my blonde hair. I think yellow looks really nice with blonde hair. These specific Pantaboots were not custom made, but they were tailored and altered to fit my measurements. I love a Pantaboot. It's so easy. It's 2-in-1. You don't really have to think. Looks good with everything. Highly recommend a Pantaboot. Oh, this outfit. I love this outfit. This is when I just randomly decided to cut the waistband off my jeans and turn it into a top. These jeans were from Zara and I cut them to make this really timeless and iconic outfit. I'm a big DIYer. I've always been getting creative. I didn't grow up with the most like resources, so it just taught me to be really crafty. And if I wanted to, you know, be fashionable or cool, or I kind of had to use my imagination a little bit. And I think this is an example of that. The purse was Alexander Wang. He has now since made hundreds of different small ones, bigger ones, and they're just so cute. I love big bags. I'm a big bag girl. And I'm a mom, so I need my baby wipes, I need all my things, I need snacks, and it was just a convenient bag for me at that time. I had no idea what a cultural phenomenon this look would become. I still see girls doing this and tagging me in the video. It's cool. Oh, I was so hot in this look, I was dying. My stylist, Brianna, found this. The moment I saw it, my eyes just lit up. And it's just so cool. Like, I love to see an everyday item, like a puffer reimagined and given a new silhouette. And I love this little cropped bralette, and it was really comfortable. It was just very hot. The purse is by these twins, Camilla and Julia, and their brand is Medea, and they send me a lot of their little bags, so I'm always wearing one or the other. I think with my blonde hair now, it would look so much better. Everything looks better when you're blonde. Ah, this look. It was made out of silicone by Joanna Prasmo. I could not find accessories that worked with it. We tried everything. And then we had a pair of pleasers, like stripper shoes, and I popped out a roll of saran wrap and I was like, we're gonna make a boot with saran wrap. And then we decided to make a bag out of saran wrap too. And I think it worked. Oh, this look. It's made by the Uncommonist. I love this skirt, the assless chaps with the tail. And the shoes are the foot shoes by Balenciaga. She's pretty major. I would definitely wear this again. The bag was gifted to me by Tom Brown and it's a little fox and I love her. The crop jacket was a little bit too cropped. Like if I put the hood all the way up, then my tits would come out. I mean, my tits were still out, but at least my nipples weren't. It was more of a moment than I realized when I put it on. I still see this look in my day-to-day life. This one is one that resurfaces often. I love this look. This look is by one of my favorite designers in New York, Wiederhoeft. This poodle outfit was a precursor to my last poodle moment where I actually became the poodle. Before this, I didn't really wear that much pink for some reason, and now I love pink. I'm obsessed with pink. I think pink is so punk rock. There's something really simple, but also really outrageous about this look. I love the like no makeup glam because I feel like there was just so much going on. It was better to just be a mannequin. I'm pretty sure these shoes are from like a fetish store, and as I was walking the street, I took a tumble. That's why all the people behind me are looking at me. They don't know who I am. They just saw me bust my ass and it was funny.
Where are the most unexpected places that you pull pieces from?
In any city we go to, we always go to the sex shops because they have the best stuff. They have the latex, they have the gloves, the stockings, the chokers, the cuffs, all the little leather adornments, the nipple covers. They have a lot of things that you can accessorize with, and they're priced pretty fairly. You know, they're just good for building an outfit to go with something else. The body bag. This look is so freaking badass. It was funny because when this arrived, the interns were opening it and they like kind of got scared because they thought it was an actual body. Also, that bag had a zipper, like you could put things in it. It was just very heavy, so I don't see someone using it every day just for practical purposes. I love that I have red hair, she has blonde hair. I love that we're wearing kind of the same shoes. For a photo moment, this was insane.
What are you wearing on the bottom? Is it a skirt or shorts?
That is a Hanes collab with Sex LLC, and I actually inspired that collab. It's just like a very cute little like mini skirt made out of the Hanes fabric of their tank tops. Yeah, this look, I mean, I love these boots. I love this designer, Avavav. They always have the most insane runway shows where they're like throwing trash around or like breaking everything. Like they just really put on a show. And I think that's what these boots do. They just are really a showstopper. In that moment, I was really into outrageous boots. And when these came across my desk, I knew that I needed to have a moment in them. I wish I had worn a smaller jacket so the shape would have been like a triangle. Whatever, you can't win them all, but I would totally wear this again in a heartbeat. These boots are amazing. Thanks for looking back at some of my looks with me, and be sure to tune in to OMG Fashion, only on E!